Hello and welcome back to another episode of Indulge Vlogs. Today we are in one of Kolkata's newest designer stores. This is a store which blends contemporary style with traditional elegance. From the moment you walk in, you see the space exuding warmth and elegance. The store is wrapped in a dusty nude pink palette that perfectly complements the delicate pastel saris and structured corsets that are on display. The soft, warm lighting casts a golden glow, and it adds a cozy intimacy that invites you in. What truly caught our eye? The exquisite hand-woven jamdani elements in the decor, and it's a nod to Bengal's rich textile heritage. And let's not forget the bold POP wall art, and it features intricate Indian motifs. It's a visual treat that elevates the entire experience from a shopping trip to a cultural immersion. Join us as we explore every corner of this beautifully curated space and take a closer look at some of the standout pieces that define this collection. Hi Rohan, how excited do you feel about your new launch?
Definitely very excited. This is like a dream come true, a dream that I've seen for a decade now. It would be wrong to say that, I am not excited. I'm actually very, very excited.
Can you take us through your new collection?
So what I have in the store is definitely some of my past work, some of the archival works from Louis XIV and reinventing the art of corsetry, some collections I've worked on in the past. What people can now expect is the latest line that I've worked on, which is inspired from Italian, specifically Florentine architecture. The name of the collection is I Medici. We are yet to launch it officially on the runway, but we are definitely introducing it in store, and you are having a look at it for the first time for sure. Yeah.
Wow, I feel privileged. So, which of these is your favorite?
I have a lot of favorites. I usually refrain from pointing out which is my favorite, but I definitely would look at this corset, although because of course, if you see the amount of embroidery that has gone in, it's very intricate and it's very colorful, even though the base is very plain. I definitely like something like that, or something like this, which is very me. So I think this is very me, where a corset is very elaborate with all the embroidery and all the detailing, and it's paired with a very simple slitted skirt. So I think that is these are the styles I'm very fond of all the things that I do.
I love the pearls on that one, but how do you think someone who's starting to wear corsets can wear it in their everyday look?
To start with, I would definitely always suggest the little black corset, which has been our signature since the last 2 years, ever since we launched. I think from there you can you can look at the prints that we do, the printed corsets that we do, and then finally think about the detailed embroidered ones, because of course these require planning. You can't just randomly pick it up from your wardrobe and just put it on and walk out. That I don't think that's how it's gonna work. These outfits demand some thought, some styling, some ideas. Like, there's been enough creative process that my team and I have put in behind it. I think the wearer also needs to do the same in order to style it accordingly. So to start with, a plain solid black corset, and then move your way through the prints and then the embroidered is what I would suggest for somebody to start wearing corset.
Can you tell us a little bit about your new sari collection?
Yes. See, I'm into in cotton and linen. This two is my USP. And what I do, I blend tissue. Okay, silk, tested tissue, golden tissue, silver, copper tissue. I always blend with the cotton and linen. So I always try to give a nice, soft, breathable, metallic look. Because now the weather is something like that, you can't wear silk every day, but these will give you the sheen of tissue, and because of cotton and linen is breathable and soft as well.
Nice. So which one is your favorite out of this?
My favorite one is the twill. Yeah, this pattern. Okay, if you see, is a bead weaving, which is very old pattern weaving. We are trying to revive with the modern touch. So this one is my favorite.
In fact, I'm in one of his statement pieces. It's called the Little Black Corset, which you can pair up with low-waist jeans, a red sari for a fusion look, or even like a skirt or something. So if you're looking to elevate your party wardrobe or add a bold twist to your look, then this is the place to be in. Thank you for watching. See you in our next vlog.